Some new polls out this morning showing once again how volatile this election is. A new national poll shows Hillary Clinton expanding her lead over Donald Trump to 13%.
But as we know, this race will be won or lost in the battleground states. And according to Quinnipiac polls just out this morning, Trump is now leading in Florida 42-39. That's a huge reversal. Clinton was up big in that poll just a month ago. In Pennsylvania, it's 43-41, and it is a tie in the battleground of Ohio.
So as you can imagine, we've got a lot to get to this morning, including our interview with Bernie Sanders. But let's start with the Republicans. NBC's Hallie Jackson is in Cleveland, where the Republican convention gets underway in about 5 days. Hallie, good morning to you.
Hi, Matt. Good morning. And before that convention here begins, we should know who Donald Trump's vice presidential pick will be. Top Trump insiders telling NBC News Trump will appear publicly with that person on Friday, with one source close to the campaign telling me right now no decision has been made. And until Trump definitively settles on who he wants as his VP pick, that source says don't go printing the yard signs just yet. Today, with tryouts over,
how's your governor?
Decision time now for Donald Trump.
I'm supporting Donald Trump because
Indiana Governor Mike Pence wrapping up his whirlwind VP audition. But even after a private meeting, a fundraiser, a rally, no clues from the candidate.
Pence, I don't know whether he's going to be your governor or your vice president. Who the hell knows?
Sources familiar with the process tell NBC News Trump's talking over options with his inner circle. Newt Gingrich and Chris Christie also serious contenders, as Trump promises his pick will probably be predictable.
I'm not doing this for surprises. I'm doing this because I want to pick somebody that's going to help me get elected.
He's looking for an attack dog who can take on Hillary Clinton. Maybe even other critics, too, like Ruth Bader Ginsburg. Even for the outspoken Supreme Court justice, an unusually candid political outpouring, calling Trump a faker who says whatever comes into his head at the moment. Trump firing back in a tweet saying, in part, quote, her mind is shot, resign, and elsewhere predicting this supreme spat would energize his base. Many of those supporters headed to Cleveland, where we're getting a clearer picture of who will take their turn on the convention stage. Majority Leader Mitch McConnell now revealing he will speak, along with Trump's family, former rivals, and House Speaker Paul Ryan, insisting now he doesn't regret endorsing the candidate.
If I had not done that, I believe I would have contributed to basically cutting our party in half, and thereby, by default, granting the presidency, giving the presidency to Hillary Clinton.
Meanwhile, Trump is under fire this morning from the NAACP after declining an invitation to speak at the organization's annual convention next week. That organization's president saying it could have been an opportunity to connect on issues dominating the national conversation. But Matt and Savannah, Trump's team points to the difficult timing in the midst of a vice presidential pick and with their own GOP convention here in Cleveland. Matt, Savannah.
All right, Hallie Jackson in Cleveland. Hallie, thanks so much.
Hello, Today fans. Thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking that button down there and click on any of the videos over here to watch the latest interviews, show highlights, and digital exclusives.